Yeah?
So when you talk about my conscience, in terms of the thing that helps me decide between right and wrong,
Yes.
is that in the soul or is that in the spirit body?
It's in soul.
Conscience.
Yeah. Yeah. The conscience is a mechanism that actually isn't yours. It's an interface between yours and God's moral truth. So it's interface between you and God's soul. So it's not just yours. It belongs to you and God together. God uses it all the time. And this is something we want to talk about this afternoon. Because without understanding that, the majority of us go, well, how do I work out what is true and what is not true? You know? Well, you can have God telling you what is true, easy enough. But remember I said it's governed by emotions that affect the way the soul operates. So the more unhealed or unloving emotions I have in me, the more restriction I have with my connection between myself and God with regard to the conscience. So when God tries to say to me, actually, that thing you're doing there, that's not very good for you, I'm going, no, it's good for me because my addiction tells me it's good for me. So I'm ignoring the connection. And this is why we need to understand more the emotions in our soul and the you could say the attributes of the soul. Then we need to focus more on those attributes, the conscience and those other attributes, than we do on the development of our mind. Yeah.